Alright guys, we're going to be looking at doing a unit replacement. I do want to make note that it is a very tight squeeze, so just be careful with that. I was able to kind of pull it off, but it is extremely tight. So here's what we're looking at. It's a single stage, high efficiency, 120,000 BTU with a 4-ton condenser, and we give them with the measurements. So at the bottom, I've got that measured at a 6-inch bottom box right down there. So starting with the furnace, I got that from right there to right there. I've got that measured at about 24 inches, and then a height I measured right at the base above the bottom box to right there. I've got that measured at 39 inches, and then a depth on the furnace at 28. For the return, what I measured right from that point to right there, I've got that measured at 15 inches, and then the depth is 25. I also measured specifically on the return from right there to right there. I've got that measured at about 10 inches. For the height, I measured right at the crease right there, and I went all the way up to that crease right up there, and I've got that measured at about 54. I measured right, it's an uncased coil, and I measured right at the base of that from right there to right there at about 24 inches, and same thing with the depth at about 20. I also measured the supply trunks. There's one right there, and then there's two, one for the lower level, one for the upper level, and I've got everything measured as 8x8, 12x8, and 12x8. For the return, it looks like it is teeing off, one going that way and the other going that way. And I've got that measured at about 12x8 and 12x8. If I'm repeating myself, I apologize, but the center filter 25 by 1, and I think that's all she wrote. Oh, and the electrical panel is right here, so easy breezy.